and welcome back to our channel and Sandcastle tip of the day. Today's Sandcastle tip of the day is going to be about how we generated the design for the water goddess. What was our inspiration and how we turned that inspiration into sketches and eventually into an interesting design that you're going to see come to life here in the next 2, 3, 4 weeks with this sculpture called Water Goddess. Let's get right to it. When traveling to Europe in 2017 with my family, we had a chance to visit an aqueduct in France. And this was a very beautiful aqueduct that the Romans built way back around a couple hundred AD. And this aqueduct brought water over 20 miles at like 1/4 inch per quarter mile fall. I mean, it's just incredible how flat it was. But I went back to the hotel room and generated a sketch, a very organic sketch of this aqueduct. And that organic sketch was kind of the first seed to this project. The next seed was I wanted to do something with human anatomy. And by doing the human anatomy part of this, the female figure, and creating the water goddess with the aqueduct, it just seemed so perfect to blend all three. So I started sketching, I started generating ideas. Some of the early ideas, we called it a sea mermaid or a sea goddess or a water mermaid, or I mean, this thing went around and around and around. But the passion for the aqueduct transforming into water and the actual god was the element that really interested me to explore it in sand sculpture. And that is essentially what led us to where we're at now with this sculpture. I'm using a software program called Procreate. It's on my iPad, and I do overlays of the design to explore and work with the options. And those overlays are important. I'll be doing a lot of those throughout the building of this, to work for a few hours and go in and look at it, photograph it, and overlay different ideas onto my sketches in Procreate, and then print them out and use them for reference materials as we continue to develop the design and make the sculpture as amazing as we can. If you enjoyed today's Sandcastle tip of the day, where we shared our design concepts with you, then smash the like button, subscribe so you don't miss the next Water Goddess tip of the day. It's going to be fun. We'll see you soon. Bye.